Secret number 4, share who you are. So we've got two sides to the equation here. First of all, we've got the professional, then we've got the personal side. So first of all, the professional. If you've got any proven success, fantastic. Put it out there, let people see that. If you've got before and afters, it's a great way to get people to have confidence in what you're offering. Definitely share that. Your experience, share that also, and your qualifications. So those are three kind of obvious things that you can be sharing with your clients. I said the proven success you may not have if you're a newbie. If you don't have any proven success, I would certainly encourage you to start to gather that social proof, that success you've been having with clients, because it will make your life a whole lot easier when you start to try and sell high ticket personal training programs. If you've got the proof there, then it makes it a little bit easier for people to believe that what you're offering will actually work for them. And there you can see an example of me with just one client. I showed you a load before, but that's just one client gainer who lost just under 6 stone in weight. So I'd certainly be using her when I'm putting my information out there, when I'm educating people. But the other side of the coin that I think is important is for people to understand who you are as a human being, as a person as well, because here's the thing. As a newbie trainer, you may be forgiven for thinking that your sessions are all going to be based around, or the conversation is going to be around just correct form and nutrition and how to stay motivated. But the reality is, it isn't. And if you're a seasoned PT listening to this recording, this training, you'll recognize that the conversations you have with clients go way beyond just good form and good nutrition and that sort of stuff. You start talking about other areas of your life as well. Mainly theirs. I used to have a policy when I had a team of trainers. We'd have kind of like an 80-20 rule or 90-10 rule. 80-90% of the time we'd speak about the client and their concerns and what they were trying to achieve. But then 10-20% of the time you'd discuss and talk a little bit about you as an individual. You'd never go pouring your heart out to your clients. I wouldn't recommend that, but certainly talking about some of the things that you're interested in. So for me, for example, maybe speaking about my son, how he's a tennis coach now, starting off as a youngster. There you can see him as a little baby, so I might have spoken about him then when I was doing PT part-time. Speak a bit about me, cycling possibly, and maybe drop in for a bit of a laugh more often than not, the fact that I like watching Columbo. If you spoke to my clients, they'll probably tell you that tennis and Columbo are my two big things. So this is just about really, I say, sharing, share who you are so people know you're a human being. You're not just some PT wearing tight lycra with bulging muscles or a fantastic figure. There is a little bit more to you, a bit more depth to you, and when people see that side of you, they're more likely to warm to you and feel less intimidated and feel as though they're happy to actually work with you. So secret number 4 is share who you are.